In this video, we will make this bugle beaded bracelet. So let's start. Our materials are 9mm of Toho bugle beads, Miyuki 80 seed beads, ivory, Miyuki 11 gold seed beads, clasp, and ring. This is not a jump ring, this is a ring. And then big eye needle, 4 pound of fire line. One bugle beads, clasp, 1 bugle beads, and 3 80 seed beads. Reinforce them. Pick 2 bugle beads. You can cut the tail thread because we don't need them. Pick 3 80 seed beads and 1 bugle beads. We're exiting here. Then we will pass the needle to these bugle beads. Like this. And we will pass the needle to these 3 80 seed beads. Pick 2 bugle beads and we will pass the needle through these 3 80 seed beads. Like this. And we will pass the needle here to these bugle beads. And we will make another unit. 3 80 seed beads and 1 bugle beads. We will do the same process until we reach the needed length. I will do it once again. Pick 2 bugle beads and I will pass the needle through these 80 seed beads. And I will pass the needle here to these bugle beads. And then we will make until we reach the needed length. Peak to level off. Peak to 11 off. Pass the needle to these bugle beads like this. Peak to 11 off. Peak to 11 off. Pass the needle to the bugle beads to 11 off. To 11 off. And we will do it all this corner. anyways, we made this for, I think we made it for about 18 centimeter with this clasp. And just the beads only, we have about 17 centimeter. So I think it's very fit to me. So I will wear it for a while. Oh. Just like